A case study is better even than the topic request.
Yeah.
If you have documentation, you redact it and send it to us, and we'll either, again, we may answer it on a Q&A webinar, or if it's something that you want feedback on faster than that or on the club, by all means. But this allows you to actually put in a whole encounter, an op report or H&P, and then let us know what your thoughts were, but what you want us to do some research. Coders are researchers, and we also meet people that specialize, like the Glenn gentleman that I told you about today. He's a CDI specialist and does physician education. And so, we have connections that maybe you don't have, and we'll share them with you.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.